Water is a main element for human beings to survive. Due to this water scarcity, we introduce a new project called atmospheric water generator. When we comes to working principle in atmospheric water generator, a compensator circulates moist air through a condenser and then an evaporator coil which cools the air surrounding it. This lowers the air temperature due to its dew point, causing water to condense. The heat dissipated from the condenser is passed to the pellicer plate, which converts it into electricity, which can be used for further process. The resulting water is then passed into a holding tank with a purification and filtration system to keep the water pure and reduce the risk processed by virus and bacteria, which may be collected from the ambient air on the evaporator coil by the condensing water. The rate at which the water can be produced depends on relative humidity and ambient air temperature and size of the compensator. The rate at which water can be produced depends on relative humidity and ambient air temperature and size of the compressor. Through water generators become more effective as relative humidity and air temperature increase. And all of these processes are controlled by using a Arduino microprocessor. When it comes to advantages, it is highly portable and economical, easy to maintain. No expensive piping infrastructure is needed for this project, and it is quickly deployed. There is no need for conventional water sources. You need to plug into electric socket to generate fresh and pure water. And it is completely convenient, dependable and safe. Gives you total control over your water needs. And when you speak about advantages, there is one disadvantage for this project. This project cannot be installed in low humidity areas. The scope of this project is that by applying this concept to a densely humid areas, we can extract more amount of water from the atmosphere, and due to this design, it is convenient for water collection and you can carry it away anywhere you want to use it. And this equipment is very helpful for explorers, mountaineers and fishermen. And although you can use bicycle gear arrangement or standalone renewable resources of energy, either solar or wind, to operate this generator. Thank you all for joining us in this video section.